Tired of drowning in receipts and spreadsheets? Struggling to get reimbursed for work expenses? You're not alone. Many businesses and employees face challenges with expense tracking and reimbursement. But fear not, because today we're diving deep into Expensify, the powerful expense management tool that can simplify your life and streamline your reimbursements. Expensify is a cloud-based platform that automates expense reporting. It integrates seamlessly with your bank accounts and credit cards, capturing transaction data automatically. This eliminates the need for manual entry, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. So, how exactly does reimbursement work with Expensify? Let's break it down. Step 1. Capture expenses. Take photos of receipts. Expensify's mobile app makes it incredibly easy to snap photos of your receipts. The app uses optical character recognition, OCR, to extract key information like date, vendor, and amount. Connect your cards. Link your company or personal credit cards to Expensify. The platform automatically imports transaction data, saving you the hassle of manual entry. Log mileage. If you're driving for work, Expensify can track your mileage using GPS. Step 2. Categorize and submit. Categorize expenses. Assign appropriate categories to each expense, e.g., travel, meals, entertainment. Add necessary details. Include any relevant information like project names or client names. Submit your report. Once you've reviewed and categorized your expenses, submit your expense report for approval. Step 3. Approval and reimbursement. Manager approval. Your manager will receive a notification and can review your report online. They can easily approve or request changes. Reimbursement options. Expensify offers various reimbursement options, including direct deposit, company credit card, or check. Automated reconciliation. Expensify automates the reconciliation process, ensuring accurate and timely reimbursements. Benefits of using Expensify. Time saving. Automates data entry, reducing manual effort significantly. Increased accuracy. Minimizes errors associated with manual data entry. Improved visibility. Provides managers with real-time insights into spending. Enhanced compliance. Ensures adherence to company expense policies. Improved employee satisfaction. Streamlines the reimbursement process, making it easier for employees to get paid back. Tips for using Expensify effectively. Take clear photos of receipts. Ensure the text and numbers are legible. Categorize expenses promptly. This helps with accurate reporting and faster processing. Review your reports carefully before submitting them for approval. Utilize Expensify's reporting features to gain valuable insights into your spending. Ready to simplify your expense reporting? Sign up for a free trial of Expensify today and experience the difference. The link is in the description below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.